Hi guys. So month after month I feel like I get beauty boxes. Obviously I do my unboxings on video, but I don't always review the products that I'm getting in the boxes, which seems very silly. Like, I've been filming videos. I started filming in December of last year, and it's just dawned on me, like, you don't review the products that you get in the boxes. So out of the boxes that I've gotten, there have been a few products that I'm so excited that I got. So I wanted to share just a few of them with you today. Now the first product is going to be probably no surprise to some of you, and that is the Michael Todd Pumpkin Nutrient Rich Facial Mask. I got this in the first ever little black bag that I ever received, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I actually have a second one that I believe I got in an Ipsy bag as well. So again, this is something that I will be purchasing full size once I get through this one and the other sample. Second item is this lipstick by Model Co. This is the Party Proof Matte Lipstick. And this lipstick, I believe, was in a Birch box. And when I got this, I was really excited that it was full size, but the fact that it was red was like super bonus. And the fact that I really liked its staying power and the way that it went on my lips and stayed on my lips was like a bonus plus. Next, we have the Model Co. Cheek and Lip Stain. And this was advertised both on Glossybox and on Birchbox. I'm not sure which one I received it in, simply because I get both boxes and it was a while ago. But I showed this in a video that I just did for my style, just saying that I usually take this and apply a little bit on my cheeks underneath whatever blush I'm wearing, because it helps the blush last all day and adds just a subtle hint of color underneath the color that I apply on top. It allows me to layer the color without looking crazy. Next we have this. I have not talked about this yet. This is the DDF Acne Control Treatment. This was in a Birchbox. I don't know what kind of like magical secret potion is in this stuff, but this is an acne control treatment with salicylic acid, and it's an acne medication. I've applied this. This is like a spot treatment. I've applied this to areas of my face. You know how like sometimes you can just feel yourself getting a pimple and it's like that area hurts and you know it's going to be like huge and disgusting, and it's just one of those things that like is inevitable, whether it's hormonal or whatever the case may be. I had one of those coming in the middle of my nose, applied this for 3 days straight before I went to bed after I cleansed my face. The next day after applying this, the soreness was gone. 2 days after that, kept applying it. It was completely gone. Whatever was coming up was gone. Anytime I apply this on any type of imperfection, the next day, it's better. I don't want to say the next day it's gone, because for some people it's probably not going to work like that. But for me, I can honestly say the next day, it's either completely gone or it's loads and loads better. Next item was a full-size item that I believe I got in a Glossybox, and this is the Tarte Natural Cheek Tint. This was a full-size Tarte blush in a compact from Glossybox. And first of all, the packaging, how cute is that? And then the color. It was just a very subtle, rosy color that lasts all day. I love Tarte blushes. I love, love, love Tarte blushes. And this has been something that if I'm not using the Model Co. Cheek and Lip Stain, I'm using this underneath my blush just to make it last all day. And my last and final item, I'm not sure which box I got it in. I want to say it was probably Birchbox, but it is my Ouidad Define and Shine Moisture Lock. As you can see, it's like gone because I use it and my daughter uses it. I use it on her hair. And it is a curl styling gel cream for wavy, loose curls. After I will put her hair in a ponytail and maybe wet the back, I'll put some of this in my palm and just scrunch it in her hair. And our hair is obviously naturally curly, but it gives her these little ringlets that are so super cute. A standout product. all of these products that I've mentioned in this video have been the standout products for all of the beauty boxes that I have received so far. I'm sure that I have more products that are standout, but I've either used them up or I forgot that they came in a beauty box and I didn't want to include it in the video and it not have come in a beauty box, you know what I mean? And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna try to do one of these videos per month, hopefully, and pick out the standout items from each of the beauty boxes that I get per month and do one of these videos. So if you want to see that or you like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.